Yeah, Nick and Renata, after a slow morning, the people rested their case this afternoon. And among those who testified today was a doctor, but also the victim, investigator Michael Theetge. Day 2 of Fetunia Masseline's trial continued today. The prosecution is trying to prove that Masseline acted to prevent officers from doing their job, thus causing serious physical injury. The defense claims the prosecution can't prove that Masseline intentionally interfered with law enforcement. The people called more witnesses to testify, including investigator Michael Theetge. Theetge testified that he still feels the emotional, physical, and mental impacts of what happened that night.
I had to learn how to walk again. I had lost that ability, and so it was starting from ground zero where I had to kind of relearn everything and push through that.
While working a retail theft detail on March 29, 2024, Theetge was chasing shoplifting suspect Dominic Haley. That's when Theetge and Haley landed on the hood of Masseline's car in the Target parking lot. She allegedly sped up, then hit the brakes, and both men fell off the car, causing Theetge to hit his head, suffering a brain injury. A doctor who testified said on the Glasgow coma scale, investigator Theetge was a 3 out of 15.
It essentially gives someone a score based on what their eyes are doing, if they're able to verbalize or speak, and if they're moving at all. If they're doing nothing across all those systems, they would get 1 point for each. So that would equate to a GCS score of 3.
At the start of the trial, before any witnesses took the stand, the defense stated during opening arguments that the jury should listen to all of the facts and not let the emotions of witnesses guide them to a verdict. And as I mentioned, the prosecution rested this afternoon, and the defense will have an opportunity to call witnesses tomorrow. Reporting live in Elmira, Lindsay Madison, WENY News.